Sometimes you kind of think, well, that's the way the company runs and you've got no say, but like doing these sort of workshops and it kind of makes you realize that each and every individual that actually makes a company work, it challenges the self, it challenges the group thinking, it challenges the thinking outside the box, interaction, collaboration, competitiveness, communication, events together, that all creates a team vibe.
These kind of activities help us to understand each other a little bit better and just to see what each other thinks in a safe environment.
It's quite a good environment where we can say what we want to say, but then also have it sort of contested or challenged or brought up in a different view from the floor at the same time. So the feedback from the floor gives you a chance to make sure that the way you're trying to say it or suggest something has actually been implied and understood the way that you're intending to say it.
Okay, it gives us the opportunity not just to focus on work, but it gives us the opportunity to share some of the things that we struggle upon on ourselves, and sometimes giving us the opportunity to not just go through some of the struggles on our own.
Yeah, there's a lot of challenging topics, and yeah, I think it's a really good idea to have these workshops and be engaging in them.
I think everybody is getting to build up a little bit more confidence before they came in about the questions that they had, and yeah, hopefully that will mean change for the better.
I'm a service technician in a remote region where it's just normally yourself, so to speak. So getting together actually physically with a team and a group of people to have those discussions and workshops, I think it's beneficial. It makes you feel more engaged with people, which sort of makes everyone feel a bit more a part of the team. It's a comfortable place to discuss things.
Overall, it was a very good experience. Whether if they are positive things, whether they are negative things, they will also want to share about it and talk about it.
So my last few years with Atlas Copco, there's been a lot of memorable moments. I think my big win was coming from sort of the low pressure markets, challenging myself into the medium pressure market, industrial gases. Yeah, lots of good projects in the pipeline and we look forward to more, but yeah, it's a good team, nice to be working together.
One of the committees that I've joined this year is the Diversity and Inclusive Committee, which is a great committee to help change the culture in Atlas Copco New Zealand. Our team did a great job and we were all working together to achieve that, and that was a proud moment.
It's definitely a very supportive team, and that's going from the sales to management to Brad and our technical support. Like, everyone will give you the time of day if you've got a question.
Atlas Copco New Zealand, as an example, we have people from all over different countries, and we are all given the same opportunity. For me, it feels like there is no differences, and also be inclusive in all sorts of activities and projects, and example this workshop as well.